Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Garden of Vendors. We're glad to have you. Today is going to be a garden walkthrough as well as a harvest. We're super excited. Now, we've been harvesting and we haven't done a video on all of it, so it's not our first harvest, but first harvest that we're really taking you guys along with. So we're super excited about that, and we have some things that we'll talk to you about that we kind of missed on. But there's a lot of successes going on in the garden, and so here we go. Underneath of here we have our celery, we have kohlrabi, and it has just done remarkable. Really remarkable. Some of it is not doing so well, it's been pest ridden, but because we do very natural things in the garden, when it comes to pest control, it's very hard with as wet as it's been. So we will go ahead and harvest. I don't think we're going to harvest all this celery because I don't know what we do with all of it at this moment, but I am super excited to get at least one good harvest. So probably going to need a sharper knife, I think.
That looks awesome.
Nothing huge, just a little guy, but
oh, it looks good though.
It does look good for what it is. So super excited about that. Over here we've got the eggplant, the long eggplant, and I don't see anything at the moment that is getting big. However,
that one in the back's not bad.
It will be very shortly. Yeah, actually there is one back there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and cut him. He's a little small, but we plan on doing grilled eggplant later today. That's my goal, at least, so that's what we'll do. We've got probably, I don't know, 8 or 9, 10 of these in the fridge already. Here's another one here. I always harvest eggplant earlier than and probably should have had the clippers, but this will work. Earlier than what you need, because when they get too ripe and you miss it, and sometimes that literally can just be by hours, they get hard, the seeds, it's not as good, so it's better to harvest them early. We're not ready to harvest this yet, but come and look at this, guys. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? That's the Tigger melon. This is going to turn bright orange. Later today, I want to snag some old pantyhose or something, and we'll create a hammock for that to sit in, so as it gets bigger, it doesn't put tension on the vine. All right. Over here, I have a little bit of a loss. This wilting that you see, it's due to one culprit that we missed, and that's the vine borer. What happens is it lays its eggs, the eggs hatch, the vine borer crawls its way down to the base of your plant, eats into the stem, and then proceeds to eat up the plant, killing it and blocking off all nutrients to the rest of the plant, and it just slowly dies. So if you come out during the middle of the day and you see your plant wilted and all of your others, it's because of the vine borer. This one had it. I went ahead yesterday and stuck a paper clip up inside of the hole, poked a couple holes through the stem. Hopefully I hit the vine borer. Hopefully it's dying. That's really the only way to save it. We put tinfoil over the roots to hopefully prevent any more. We put down some more of the powder, and we'll just kind of wait and see. Luckily, these two here were supposed to be something else. They were supposed to be a Cocozelle, zucchini, and packet was mislabeled. We've come across that a couple times this year, unfortunately. But I'm very happy with everything. So if we lose this plant, we have plenty of other squash plants that we'll be able to harvest from. So it's not a total loss, more just like a bummer. I am going to harvest this because I'm worried that this plant isn't going to make it. And so I don't want to start to lose this fruit here, because this fruit is pretty much ready. It's a little on the small side, but again, when it comes to squash, you can't go wrong by harvesting early. It's again better to do early than it is to do late. Alright guys, so what I normally do is I'll just take and twist these. I don't know if you can see, but I just twist and twist and twist and twist. And then it makes them real easy when you go to pull. It doesn't put a lot of stress on the plant and they come off easy. These are white wonders. So they've been really prolific for us. We've done really well with those. And honestly, other than the skin, we do like them peeled, where a couple of the other varieties we're growing are just great to eat. With the peel, it's super soft, super thin, and it's not bitter. These are actually better if you just peel them. So let's see, I think that's all of what we're gonna pull this morning, because we already got the tomatoes. So we will keep you posted. We're gonna head back over to our other property. We're gonna show you the project that we were working on yesterday, kind of in its finished. You'll see a little bit of that. And so we're super excited. See you guys soon.
MJ, who's here?
Hi.
That is all weeds.
Look at this. It's like concrete. You can't even push
That's crazy.
into it.
So these are our watermelons that are not growing. They're not dying, but they're not growing. So we are going to try to figure out why. But our corn's okay. So knee high by 4th of July. That's good. We're waist high by January 1st. So we are on track. January 1st, July 1st. Get it together, Megan. So here is what we built yesterday. Trellis for our winter squash here. And we made it wide enough
Get your puppy out of the dirt. Get your puppy out of the... Okay.
that we can walk through the middle when it comes time to pick. Yeah, possibly. Hopefully.
Well, it's all finished. We appreciate you guys following us along on this, and like and subscribe. Click that bell that we can get notifications when we put new videos up. We appreciate you guys.
Yep.
Take care from the Garden of Vendors. Bye.
Bye.